we're with the American woman living her Olympic dream high atop the Zamboni.
This is NBC Nightly News with Lester Holt.
Good evening, everyone.